I've been going on service calls with my dad since I was 5 years old.
Joy and I definitely being what you'd say pioneers, an anomaly in this field. It hasn't always been an easy road, but it's been very
Rewarding.
very rewarding.
And we saw that there was a definite need in the community as far as contractors were concerned in bringing a personal touch to contracting.
When we partner up with Emerson, there's our peace of mind that the equipment that we're installing is going to back us up on what we like too.
They created the smart thermostat for the contractor that was going to work for the homeowner. When you get into a situation where a customer wants a smart thermostat, I'm always going to offer the Sensi. It's made by and made for our industry. It can be compatible with the most basic heating and cooling application or the most advanced.
No one likes to come back home to a hot house and then have to wait a few hours to cool it back down. With that Wi-Fi capability, you can access your thermostat in your own home from wherever. You connect it, turn it up or down, and you ain't gotta worry about anything. We use, Emerson makes White Rogers products. That's what we install. We've used other products before, had problems. Well, when you go to an Emerson product, we don't have any problems. So that's what we use.
What we find is that the reliability is there. We know based on the way that our customer base works.
Our technicians really like the Sensi thermostat as well.
And they tell us when they don't like something.
The installation process of the Sensi thermostat is super easy. You really don't need a whole lot of tools, just a normal screwdriver, just screw it to the wall. But beyond that, you got a level on there and the push-in tabs, like I had said, and it's installed.
If the technician is able to get in and get out, then we're able to service more people. When you're a smaller family company, you have to
Every minute
utilize.
counts.
Thank you. Every minute counts. We can get them in, we can get them out, and the customer's happy.
And it's good for our bottom line.
The Sensi thermostat makes our installer's life easier, which makes Joy in my life easier, which makes the customer's life easier. So it's this nice full circle. We are partnering up with Emerson, and it's a relationship that we've had going on for 2 generations now, and we plan on keeping it for a long time.
And I think it's important that we continue to give the same level of service and commitment to the community as our dad did.